So here I'm going to show you how to load in a concrete structural column and also change its dimensional properties. So by default, if we go to structure and we go to column, you can see that on the properties drop down we only have a few families and none of them are concrete. They're all W-flange beams. So while we're placing a structural column, you'll notice that this load family button comes up. You can also go to insert and load family there. But we need to find some of these concrete beams. This is the path. You might have a different drive path. But first we need to go to the Imperial Library, and you might have it actually on the side here on the quick axis. And we need to go to structural columns, and in that structural columns folder we need to go to concrete. Now we're going to be using the concrete rectangular column family. We're going to hit open, and then you can see that it's going to give us three families, 12 by 18, 18 by 24, and 24 by 30. In this class, I believe we're going to be using square columns. So how do we create a new square column? Well, we need to go to edit type, and we need to change some of these dimensions. But before we do that, we don't want to overwrite the data for the 12 by 18 family. So we're going to hit the duplicate button, and we're going to call this whatever the dimensions in inches are. So this is a 16 by 16 concrete column, so we're going to type 16 by 16. And then we need to change the dimensions by typing 16 inches on both the height and the width, and the B and the H parameters. So if we hit OK, you can see that the structural material is fine. That's still concrete. And I'm going to go ahead and place something here. Now, if you have interior walls, if you followed that tutorial, let's see here. They might want to merge. So what you'll have to do is actually select this group of interior walls and just delete it for right now. And we grouped it, and it's a model group, so we can actually replace it by creating an instance if we want to do that in the future. But for right now, if you're seeing some strange sort of material, go ahead and delete those interior walls.